Today, we are going to look at a DriveWorks Express spotlight that will demonstrate just how easy it is to run a custom specification on an architectural window that could have countless numbers of customization options. DriveWorks can enhance design automation for SOLIDWORKS by reducing repetitive tasks, eliminating errors, and freeing up engineers, giving them more time to innovate. To get started, you can enable your complimentary DriveWorks Express seat by navigating to the Tools menu, selecting Express Products, and clicking DriveWorks Express. If you are enabling your seat for the first time, you will be prompted to navigate to your my.solidworks.com account to receive your free product code. With the DriveWorks Express task pane and architectural window project loaded, let's quickly generate a set of models by selecting the Run Projects option and filling out the custom form with the desired design information for each field. You can see when hovering over each field that a tooltip message appears, notifying us of what constraints we must adhere to or additional information we are privy to. With the form complete, click the Create button to begin the model generation process. For the next segment of this spotlight, you will see SOLIDWORKS open each model, have its dimensions and/or features altered, saved, and then closed. This will continue until the generation is complete. A report of every action taken by DriveWorks Express is documented and displayed in the task pane. This is great for troubleshooting and understanding the steps that DriveWorks Express takes. Our project also created a 2D drawing with each view updated to the new specification. The bill of material and title block were updated accordingly as well. You can see that DriveWorks handled all these tasks quickly and efficiently. For more information about DriveWorks Express, or what feature-rich benefits you can expect from purchasing DriveWorks Solo or Professional, stay tuned for more Spotlight videos or visit our product landing page to get connected with us here at Design Point.